Hi everyone, today I'm making a ginger citrus punch. To make this punch, you're going to need 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1 quart of ginger ale, the juice of 1 orange, 2 lemons, and 3 limes. Making this punch is super easy. You just combine everything in a pitcher. I did my fruit juices first and then poured the ginger ale in last, and then you're just going to pour over ice. I will say that normally I'm not a big fan of punch. I find a lot of times they're just really sweet. This punch, however, was my absolute favorite. It tastes more of like a lemonade of sorts, but it's not super sour or super sweet. I thought it was just really refreshing, especially on a hot day. I think it would be fabulous for a cookout. Speaking of cookouts, this is the last video of the kind of cookout series I've been doing on here with these recipes great for cookouts and summer entertaining. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys back here next time on Vintage Cookery.